Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at DSLA protocol and we are taking a look at multivac. So we haven't covered those in quite a while. And we were in this descending triangle that I did mention on Telegram, guys. I did show you this and I gave you the target of 0.02682 cents. And we did almost get there actually. We broke out of this structure and we almost got there, almost barely got to that target. So that target is not valid at the moment anymore, but we did form a new all-time high at 0.026 cents. So, and that was really cool. We were in the Telegram chat at the moment, chatting away, and it started pumping because Tony with Journey actually made a video on DSLA protocol, and that's why it started going up. So you could have just sold on that hype alone and bought back in at the dip. But now we have formed this bearish cross on the 4-hourly chart and we are starting to come back up. But right now we are testing this lower resistance line of the descending triangle. So as of now, this descending triangle is no longer valid. And we are also in a very good buy zone right now. So you want to buy these dips, and this is a very, very good zone to buy in. We are getting a bit suppressed by the 20 EMA, and we want to look for that EMA bullish cross, where the 20 EMA crosses from below the 55 EMA, which is the red line, and the 20 EMA is the yellow line. So we want to break out of this buying zone right now. So if you're watching this video and you're still in this rectangle, then you probably want to buy. Not financial advice, guys. I am not giving financial advice on this channel. Nothing should be taken as financial advice. I'm just stating my opinion on the markets. Now, the red rectangle here I have drawn out is going to be the 0.5 and the 0.618 levels on the Fibonacci retracement. So if we take the Fibonacci and throw it from the swing high to swing low, as you can see, this is how it's going to be from now on. So those will be the 0.5 and the 0.618 levels that you want to be prepared for to get rejected off of, because those are the levels with the most resistance. So that's 0.02 and 0.02194. So those are going to be the rejection levels. As you can see, we are wicking there. We have been wicking there in that little pump that we got, but we got rejected and sent back down into this green buying area. So at the moment, it is a good buy. The RSI is starting to curl back up. MACD, we made that bearish cross, and now we want to start coming back up, and the histogram should be turning to the upside. So this all points towards buying right now. The bearish cross on the EMA and the RSI and the MACD. Also, what I do want to say is that if we don't start curling that 20 EMA up, we perhaps can see the price coming back down even lower. So maybe you could wait for a bit. You could look at Bitcoin and see what it's doing, because it does carry the market, as we all know. But if it were to break down even further and Bitcoin got rejected back to $45,000, which a lot of people are saying it's true, not true, but it is on the cards potentially, then you can target 0.00982 as a buying level, because this is a support zone that we have here. We're wick down, and that looks like it could hold us. And also this level looks very good as support as well. I'm going to mark that for you because I know people on the phone can't really see the price tags. So another good support area is on 0.01162. That's your potential buy-ins. Now, we do need to come back to this full retrace, because we have formed this new all-time high and we want to start climbing up. So the more adoption DSLA gets, the more tokens are going to be burned. So this is good, and that the chart does look relatively healthy, guys. And I must say that this really didn't affect that much DSLA project, the dip, as it did some other projects. So this is a good sign. So we need a bit more volume coming in, and that will start pushing the price up. As you can see on the 4-hourly, we started making higher highs, and we want to continue with that. As you can see, we wicked to the 20 EMA and we got rejected back down. Now on the daily, we can see that we peaked out over here, came back down, started making lower lows. So what I want to say is that we seem to be making this hammer-like candle, this hammer candle, which is a bullish candle, and this means that the next candle is going to be a lot more bullish than this one. So this is a bullish candle right here, as you can see. This is a hammer candle, and because you can see that it has the body at the top and the wick to the downside. So this is a bullish continuation as well, guys. On the RSI, we look smack bang in the middle at 51.5. So we are looking generally very good, and now would be a great buying opportunity for DSLA because this is a great project. I know DSLA are paying YouTubers to cover their project right now, so expect a lot more pumps to come for this. So don't really try to sell this, because I do believe staking is coming as well for DSLA. So very bullish on this project. I'm glad we're early on this, guys. Everyone in the Telegram chat is early in this, so do join into the Telegram chat. And now let's jump into multivac. So in my previous videos, I did give you these levels that you can expect to come back to, and I did say that we can come down and touch 0.08 cents or 7 cents range, and that's exactly what we did, guys. And we did wick down here, this buying zone over here. So if you have been paying attention to my videos, then you did have your buy limits over here, and you bought in, and now perhaps you're gonna start making some profit on multivac. So there is also staking on KuCoin for multivac, so keep that in mind as well. So this is a daily chart. As you can see, we were in this impulsive wave, and now we're forming the corrective wave, and basically you just land on the previous impulsive waves. As you can see, we landed over here, and that's pretty much the previous impulsive wave. So you can really look at the charts without any indicators, support or resistance. You can just see where the previous impulsive wave was, and that's where you can probably expect to correct down to. We're just getting out of this buying zone right now, and let's throw the fib up from this swing high to this swing low. So we can see that we are gonna have a bit of trouble with this 20 EMA on the daily, and we want to start climbing up through these levels. We need more volume. We need to get above the 20 EMA and start testing it as support. We want to flip it to support, and we want to come back up because we don't want the 20 EMA to curl down. It did go straight, it's straightened out right now, and that's good. We don't want to see it go vertical like this. So that is good. Keep that in mind. And once again, like I always say, when you do break through the 0.618 level, which is at the exact price of 0.0142 cents, that is a bullish sign that we're gonna break through the previous all-time high potentially. So yes, I do believe they are having an AMA today, and I'm gonna try to find out some info on that. It's gonna be really interesting. So let's jump into the 4-hourly chart. So on the 4-hourly, as you can see, if we did break down even further with Bitcoin, then do try to buy in at the 0.006 level. That is one that you can expect us to go back to. And if we were to break down, we have this strong resistance at support at 0.0077 cents. So that was very good resistance. Support. I do apologize. I get mixed up sometimes. So potentially have your buy orders on there as well. But from this previous impulsive wave that we had here on the 4-hourly chart, that's when the market seemed to be doing okay. We were recovering. It was a fake out. And we are currently above the 0.236 level. That is good. We are testing the 0.382. We want to get through that. The 0.5 level is going to be very hard because, as you can see, the 20 EMA is over there, and it is the 0.5, which is the hardest level to get through on the fib retracement. So perhaps when we do break it, and I give this, a couple of days, perhaps 3 to 4 days when we are going to get back to that 0.12 cents. And the next target after that would be 0.139 cents perhaps. So we do want to see this play out real nice, and we did form this double bottom, as you can see over here, guys, this W bottom. It is a bullish continuation, and we should start making higher highs from here. So we do want to break this neckline over here. Just going to point it out so you can see it. If we do manage to break this neckline, I'm going to give you, this is the neckline. It actually lands on the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. So all the way down, and you are potentially seeing us go to 0.15 cents. So that is the pattern that could play out right now. And that would be bullish. That would be bullish. Any good news on Multivac can send the price up. There's a lot of Binance talk right now, but I don't know about that. I don't expect us to go to Binance straight away. You know, we need more time and we need to get more info on the mainnet. So yes, this is the 4-hourly chart. We have that bearish cross as well. I mean, pretty much all projects across the board have made this 4-hour bearish cross. So we need to start coming back up. We need to hit this 20 EMA with our head a bit and then flip it to support. That way we can start curling it back up. RSI, we're looking below the 50 mark. So I would say right now is a good buying level, guys, because hopefully it seems that we are done with this flash crash. I mean, China just keeps spoiling the party every time, doesn't it? So also, what I do want to mention is if you buy in now and Bitcoin drops even more, then buy more Multivac, guys. Don't you know, going crazy in your head for not buying lower when you bought in here and it went back down. I don't expect this to come back down here, and I did say in a previous video whenever it was that I don't expect Bitcoin to crash anytime soon. And that was the case, but some unfortunate events happened, and that got us to where we are right now. It's not like I was trying to lie. I hope you understand that. It was just how it seemed at the moment. But like I always say, the crypto space is very volatile, so you can always expect anything out of nowhere, and you can expect these red big candles dropping down. So do target this W bottom over here. It is a bullish continuation, and as you can see, we have been consolidating in this range over here. So this is a consolidation range, guys. Very flat, very boring, but we need this in order to build up some momentum. We're getting springboarded, and now we can start making those higher highs. So target that, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you are in Multivac or DSLA. Let me know how long you've been watching my channel. That would be very interesting for me. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.